Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to connect a TikTok pixel to Shopify. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to your Shopify and click on the search bar at the top over here and search for TikTok. And then now just simply go ahead and click on here, search TikTok in Shopify App Store, and just simply select TikTok over here. So once you have clicked on it, just simply click on install to install it into your Shopify. And now it will redirect you to another page and click on install over here. Now from here, just simply go to your TikTok over here on the left side of the screen and click on set up now and click on connect over here. And now from here, just simply log in into your TikTok for a business. So just simply log in into your account. And as you can see, it is showing my account since I am already logged in into my TikTok, and click on continue over here. So guys, if you don't see that option, you can just simply go to tiktok.com over here and just simply sign in into your account. So now from here, just simply click on connect. And after that, you should be able to connect your TikTok into Shopify. And now guys, just simply connect your TikTok ads manager as well. So if you don't have an account, you can just simply click on create new and just simply provide the information needed and click on this icon over here, and you can just simply sign up and connect. Now here on the data sharing, just simply provide whether you have a standard, enhanced, or maximum. So I'm gonna go for the standard. And if you want to create a pixel, you can just simply click on this over here and you should be able to click on confirm. And now from here, just simply click on setup over here and just simply provide the information needed and click on a finish setup. And guys, from there, once you have clicked on finish setup, your account will be under review and it will take up to 24 hours. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.